Marinette Marine panel line in Marinette. Let's take a look. The Marinette Marine panel line commercial plumbing project consists of tens of thousands of feet of specialty piping, along with the normal plumbing systems and fixtures you would find in a commercial building. This specialty piping by Turriff Plumbing consists of brazed and cleaned copper piping for oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen service. It also includes welded iron piping for high-pressure natural gas and compressed air. Despite the already difficult time schedule of the original plan, the project's scope would escalate a third in its size before completion. However, the timeline for the finish date would stay the same. And Turriff Plumbing is awarded with a silver for the Marinette Marine panel line project in Marinette. Accepting for Turriff Plumbing, Scott Turriff and Chris Smits. For Smith Construction Services, Josh Smith. Congratulations.